This, why am I so zoomed in?
It happened to me the other day and I couldn't unzoom it, so I had to turn it off.
Whew. But like, I was just like, this is, anyway. This is day 2 of me trying to knit this, oh, I forgot this is YouTube. Knit this MLB sweater that I designed in honor of the World Series, and this is how far into it I am. This is how far into it I am. This is how far I am into it.
Both work.
Okay. This is my progress so far, which is really good. And I'm wondering if I can finish the World Series word today. And then it'll be literally World Series 2024. Like, ooh, can I do that? I don't know. Anyway, this is what the back of my project looks like. I'm trying to carry like my white yarn everywhere so I don't have to keep cutting my white yarn, which is what I had to do in my poppy sweater that I did. So I'm trying to do better. This is only my second time out here doing color work, so yeah. Anyway, let's see what I can get done today. It is 12:29, so let's get it. Okay guys, so I'm this far into the words, which is insane, and I'm not gonna stop until I finish the world word, and then I'll see if I feel like just finishing the panel. I'm not sure, but I know I'm not gonna stop tonight until I finish off world, so let's do that. Okay guys, I finished the words. The world series is complete. This is actually insane. I can't believe I got this done, but I'm so happy I did. And now all I have to do are these stripes above this, and the back panel will literally be done. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Like, it's so weird seeing like the sketch I made and then like actually making it. It's so weird, but I'm definitely going to block this back panel once I'm done with it, so that the words can kind of stretch out more and not be so scrunched. So that's it for day 2, and I'll see you guys in day 3.